launch of Apollo Proton Comprehensive Voice Airway Swallowing Clinic, what I would like to emphasize is this is not a very hi-fi clinic. This is a clinic where anybody with any voice problem or swallowing problem, that is speaking or eating problem in the general word, can reach out to us. And this clinic will be led by our voice speech and swallowing therapist Aarti, who will help come to a conclusion regarding what are the problems in day-to-day life we face with problems of voice and swallowing. And also as we are a cancer center, we are emphasizing on head and neck cancers, where treatment begins before the actual treatment starts. So we make sure that eating and speaking before the treatment, during the treatment, after treatment are monitored, and whatever best to bring the best out of the patient for their best outcome, and they get back to their normal life, near normal life as soon as possible. And also to the professional voice users, we are happy to provide our services so that, as I always tell, going to gym and lifting weights without a monitoring or without a coach can result in bad strain or stress. Similarly, if you use your voice in a bad way without a coach or a trainer, it can, especially even if you are a professional voice user, can result in bad voice, which can hamper your performance and your future.
நான் ஒரு ப்ரொஃபஷனல் சிங்கராக இருந்தேன். பட் எனக்கு ப்ராப்ளம் வந்ததுக்கப்புறம் நான் வந்து ட்ரீட்மெண்ட்காக இங்கே வந்திருந்தேன். பட் ஆஃப்டர் ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் இப்போ நான் வெறும் கிளியர் வாய்ஸாகவே இருக்கேன் எனக்கு இப்போ. அண்ட் நான் இப்போ திருப்பி சிங்கிங் ப்ரொஃபஷனல்லையும் திருப்பி போயிட்டு தான் இருக்கேன். அண்ட் நான் இப்போ வந்து ரொம்ப நல்லா எனக்கு வந்து வாய்ஸ் கிளாரிட்டியும் இருக்குது, எல்லாமே இருக்குது. ஸோ கேன்சருக்கு மட்டும் இல்லாமல் பேசிக் நம்ம எந்த ப்ரொஃபஷனலாக இருந்தாலும் நம்மளுக்கு வாய்ஸ் ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டண்ட். அதில் டீச்சராக இருந்தாலும் சரி, நம்ம நியூஸ் ரீடராக இருந்தாலும் சரி, ஆங்கர்ஸாக இருந்தாலும் சரி, அண்ட் நான் சிங்கராக இருந்தாலும் சரி, நம்மளுக்கு வாய்ஸ் ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டண்ட். ஸோ எனி சேஞ்சஸ் நம்ம வாய்ஸில் வந்ததுன்னா கண்டிப்பாக ஒரு வாட்டி வந்து செக் பண்ணிவிட்டு என்ன ப்ராப்ளம் பேசிக்ஸ்லேருந்து நம்ம செக் பண்ணிட்டோம்னா ஸ்டார்டிங்கில் நம்ம வந்து கிளியர் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸோ எனக்கும் அதே மாதிரி கிளியர் ஆச்சு. அண்ட் நவ் ஐ எம் ஹாப்பி ஃபார் ஷுர்.
They are the most common cancer for Indian men, and a lot of work is being done in India to make the outcomes better. Lot of studies are coming which are making the outcomes better. At the Apollo Proton Cancer Centre also, we are very committed to doing our bit to see how technology can make the outcome of treatment better. So we are the pioneers of using proton therapy for treating oral cancers. As you know, we were the first proton therapy center of the country. We are the first proton therapy center of the country. Now we have more than 7 years experience, and now we have treated more than 2,500 patients in total with proton therapy, and a big chunk of them is head and neck cancers. When we use proton therapy for head and neck cancers, we have noted that in certain areas, especially oral cavity, tonsil, base tongue, the outcomes are better than using normal radiation, and also the quality of life of the people is better. Their weight loss is less. Elderly patients, they require less strong painkillers. They are able to take the right kind of systemic therapy. Like otherwise, older people, we can't give them chemotherapy along with radiation because they are frail people. But with proton therapy, we are able to give chemotherapy in spite of the fact that we are giving them radiation and the patients are frail. And besides that, there is a lot of emphasis on improving the quality of life of the patient by preserving their functions, whether it is reducing their taste problems, whether it is reducing their dryness of the mouth problems, and the emphasis of this clinic by reducing problems associated with voice, with breathing, and with swallowing.
Subscribe to Walgan Television.
Please subscribe Walgan Television.